Bengaluru South MP Tejaswi Surya has made very serious allegations over a bribes for bed scam, which he says allegedly involves BBMP officials and others. Now, as part of that, he went to the BBMP South COVID War Room, where he spoke to people there. He was accompanied by other BJP members, BJP MLAs from the city. During that time, he read out a list of 17 names, 17 Muslim names, people who had been hired to actually work on the COVID case. And the MLAs with him are heard saying, have they been hired for a madrasa? Are they part of a Hajj committee? Commenting on the religion of the names that Tejaswi Surya read out. In no position, in no place does Tejaswi Surya actually ask those MLAs with him to stop talking like that or discourage them from saying such things. Joining us is BBMP Joint Commissioner, Mr. Sarfaraz Khan. Mr. Khan, you must have seen that video involving Tejaswi Surya and the MLAs. What was your response?
Ma'am, as regards that video, I have got absolutely nothing to say for the simple reason that I, as a Joint Commissioner, am not I have no control over the control rooms or the war rooms and things like that. I have also just seen it on the TV that such a thing and this posts were being circulated. So basically, this was some issue concerning war zone. That's what I came to know, ma'am. So the only thing disturbing was, ma'am, that in that there are a lot of WhatsApp messages that were being circulated with the 17 people's name, and in that saying that I have been responsible for all these things. Lastly, it says Sarfaraz Khan should be accountable. So the biggest question was how Sarfaraz Khan was a solid waste management joint commissioner and in charge of COVID care centers. I don't know how my name got involved into this COVID care war rooms. The war rooms basically are set up by the zonal commissioners and the joint commissioners, and then they maintain it. And we have absolutely no role or whatsoever in any of this allotment of beds or anything like that. So it is absolutely, that was very shocking and very painful to me, saying that there was a communal angle given to that by some unknown person in the media. He has been circulating this. So I have also written a letter to the Commissioner of Police and also the Cyber Cell to immediately initiate action against the miscreants who are spreading this hate. This is really surprising. I was taken completely aback, and I was surprised that absolutely a person who absolutely knows nothing about that. It's Greek and Latin to me. The war room is Greek and Latin to me, and why I was involved in this is really surprised.
And you've written to the police commissioner. What would you like to say to Tejaswi Surya in a case like this?
Ma'am, absolutely. Ma'am, see, I respect leaders who do this kind of whistleblowing job. I really respect whoever it is. If somebody has done a job, there is a procedure. You can take action against them. Let them take it. And one more thing is that he was gracious enough to call me in the morning and said, no, sir, it was really a mistake, miscommunication that has happened. I have a lot of respect for you. And then I was really taken aback because he called me up, and then he really said that it was not meant to be. It was very wrongly. It has been communicated to you. I really feel sorry for what has happened, and this is what he told me. So I'm really, ma'am, I have nothing. Audit is in a part of public life, and everybody has to audit it. I have nothing to say. But why link it into a communal angle is my question. And also an officer who has absolutely got nothing to do with this. See, last 1 week I've been running around from crematorium to crematoriums to bury our dead brothers from other communities, man. I have never gone to any Khabristan till now, but I have been running around to a lot of crematoriums so that the system is streamlined. People are suffering. My bosses said, Sarfaraz, at least if we can't provide them with some decent the oxygen or anything like that, at least we provide them with a decent burial at least. So we've been running around. It is humanity, ma'am. There's no religion involved here. We are all citizens. We are all one.
So you've written a letter to the police commissioner, and are you hopeful of action?
100%, ma'am. We have a very good police commissioner. I know the police commissioner himself personally, Kamal Pant Saab. He will definitely take action. And I've also told my commissioner Saab, also chief commissioner, who also will clarify this and also will initiate action against the culprits and the miscreants who have created these false rumors, ma'am. We've been running around pillar to post, establishing CCCs, trying to get people some relief, trying to make their lives better. So in this, this kind of allegations really hurt an officer, and we get demoralized with this.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sarfaraz Khan, for talking to us. The hardworking officer, you can focus, I think, on your COVID efforts. And I'm sorry for the pain that this has caused you over this the last few hours. This must have caused you a lot of pain. And I really feel sad about that. Please do continue with your efforts for COVID in Bengaluru.